145 TV here, back with another video, and today I'm going to make slime. Oops. Today I'm going to make slime, but yeah, with peanut butter. I don't really know if it's gonna work or not, but yeah, we just gotta do it, right? Yeah, do it. Gotta keep doing it. See, I'm doing it right now. Making slime fly. Okay, I'll stop. So first ingredient need is some slime liquid solution. This is like basically borax mixed with water. Borax mixed with water, I guess. And okay, never mind. I was trying to, oh my god. I was trying to flip it and make it like this. So if you don't know that, never mind. And next ingredient we need is latex glue. I keep throwing stuff. Okay, I'm sorry. Latex glue for a job. Good job. Actually, you could use basically any glue. You could use like clear glue, and you could use clear glue, colored glue, warhead glue. That's not warhead glue. Yeah, so any glue. I'm using white glue and some peanut butter. Peanut butter. Wait a minute, I forgot something. Oh, come back. Baking soda. I only have this much. A spoon to mix with and a bowl. So here we start. So first thing first is basically we are just going to put the glue in, and I don't really know where the glue is. Actually, it's there. Let's grab that real quick. Oh my god. Okay, now then we want to put as much glue as you want. It's not like an exact measurement. It's just how much slime you will be using. So there, some glue. Now you want to put your peanut butter in. Smell it. It smells so good. It smells so good. Now I'm gonna just put some, get it on a spoon. Boom, that much. This will not be edible. Did it drop in? Yes, it did. Oh my god, it splattered everywhere. There you go. Now you just gotta squeeze, like squish it, and then you just gotta mixing the peanut butter and the glue together. It smells very good right now. It smells like water pea. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, there you go. When you have this, gotta put some baking soda. You wanna put like a pinch of baking soda. Like, how much? Sprinkle it in. There you go. Now you wanna mix your baking soda with your glue and peanut butter together. Like already slime. Now you wanna get your slime liquid solution. As you might know, if you watch my slime videos, put a little bit, like that much, and then now you mix. I don't really know if this is gonna work or not. And as you can see, it's forming slime. Ooh. It's very sticky. I don't really know if this is gonna work or not. You just gotta keep mixing. I'm trying to get it out of the spoon. Yeah. Oh my god. You might not see this, but it's so hard to mix. I'm using all my powers, all my powers. There you go. And this is slime. Whoa, it's already working. There. Smells so good. Smells like vomit now. I gotta get everything. Never mind about that stuff. So we have a peanut butter slime. You could actually, stretch it a lot. Stretch. You could actually stretch it. Okay, whatever. Oh my God, it's sticking everywhere. You could actually stretch it. And if you look closely, you could see the bits of peanut butter. Focus. There you go. You could see the bits of the peanut butter. Very cool. And look at that. Look at that. So cool. Now, this is the time that you will not be waiting for to poke it. Wow, so satisfying. So satisfying. Wow, so satisfying. So satisfying. Wait, I just found out something. If you flatter it and then you hit it, it will make a handprint. So I just slap it like that and then my handprint. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye bye. Ooh.